This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Level 3 options approval on Webull. We'll cover the essential steps to elevate your trading capabilities. First, we'll explore what Level 3 options entail and why they require specific approval. Then, we'll dive into Webull's criteria, ensuring you meet all prerequisites before applying. Finally, we'll discuss preparing your financial details for a smooth application process. To qualify for Level 3 options, Webull requires you to meet specific financial benchmarks. This typically includes a minimum annual income and a substantial net worth. You'll also need to demonstrate extensive experience in options trading, often involving prior experience with lower-level strategies. Furthermore, a clear understanding of the significant risks associated with advanced options is crucial for approval. Once you're ready, access the Webull app and locate the Options Trading section. From there, you'll find the application for higher options levels. Carefully fill out the comprehensive form, providing accurate information about your financial situation, including income, assets, and liabilities. Be thorough and honest, as this information is vital for Webull's assessment of your suitability for Level 3 trading. After submitting your application, Webull will review your information. This process can take a few business days. You will receive a notification within the app regarding your approval status. If approved, you can then begin trading Level 3 options strategies, such as spreads and naked calls or puts, expanding your investment opportunities on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.